Alright, this is an update to the $113 loss I took on this trade. So, the spreads have calmed down. If you look left, they were up in the 10s. Most of these were 10s, 9s, 6s, 7s. They're still high because we are in the Aussie session right now. What I want to do is give an update on the pair. I'm going to close. Actually, let me minimize the spreads. Okay. So, what I was thinking. I want to take a scalp trade. It came off a $200 gain on the weekend. I thought it was pretty cool. I was pretty proud of myself. I wanted to do a quick scalp trade. So what I saw was 5 minute. I'm like, alright, it's going to hit support here and then go back up. Up here was a target right around here. As you see, it didn't work out that way. Reason why I was looking at the trade, this was turning green coming out, this was turning green, and I'm like, alright, but this was still purple. It's a 15 minute. This is scalp setup I have. And so I'm going to zoom in real close. This candle right here, price sat just like up. I think my stop was 40.82. This was sitting at 40.20. $40.20. My stop was at 40.80. And it just sat there for like 5 minutes, didn't move. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. I'm probably just going to get stopped out. I could have closed the trade. I didn't because I battle with this thing in my head. Okay, am I going to just cut my losses short, or am I going to let it run and commit to the trade, and however it plays out, it plays out. So those things kick around in my head. Obviously, I should have just closed it out, because what happened was slippage came in, this candle just dropped, and I took a $113 loss instead of a $40 loss. I was annoyed and irritated and mad, just to say the least, you know, like a little bit of injustice. It's like, what, really? Like, I'm here using your broker platform. And so I stepped away from a second, and I'm like, you know what, I got myself here, I put myself in this situation. These things do happen in the market. This is the risk involved in trading, so Preston, deal with it. Alright, now to my point. Let's go and see where I messed up, because I did a few things wrong. Alright, one was I made between these bands. One of my rules is I don't trade in between these bands on a 1 hour time frame. If you look at price action, it's nasty, it's ugly. Okay, that's one. Alright, go down to, I think that would be the main one. So that's the main one on the chart. Let's go to 5 minute. Let's look at 30 minute. Just kind of scroll down. Still in between the bands. That was a little early, I tell you that. It didn't exactly come back up, but it was coming back up from here to back up. But still, the spreads were wide. I'm not going to get in a 10 pip spread. That's crazy. I'm in here to make money, not lose it. Alright, so that's it. I was going to manage it. I managed the trade on a 1 minute time frame. I've been getting into that a little more, just to see. Obviously came down range a little bit and popped back up. So if I would have came back to my charts a little sooner, waited, I would have made that back pretty quickly. Other than that, that was it. I got caught in slippage. It's my fault. I was trading in between the time frames, or in between the bands on a 1 hour time frame, which is one of the rules. Don't do it, and I did it anyway, so it's my fault.